Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to increase your Capital One credit card limit. First, log in to your Capital One account, either on the app or website. Go to Services and select Request Credit Line Increase. Capital One will ask for a few details like your annual income, employment status, and monthly housing cost. Just fill those in and submit your request. Keep in mind, Capital One usually won't approve increases for new accounts or accounts that recently had a limit change. Once you submit, you'll get an instant decision or an email update. And that's it. That's how to request your Capital One credit card limit. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.